Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to unbox birthday present that I have. I've been waiting for this for so long and I'm so excited to see this. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, whatever you guys do. And thank you so much for the support, and let's go to the video. So today we are going to unbox my new wheels that I've been waiting for. I've been waiting for this for a few months, I believe. No, a few weeks, because due to COVID, they couldn't really send it, and I don't know, it's different. So yeah, here we go, and I'm so excited for this, and I just wanted to share this to you guys, and yeah, let's go. So I have this AODHAN wheels that I've been waiting for, and I wanted to share this to you guys. It's been a while. I know a lot of people asking me where's the wheels, and I'm supposed to wide body the car, but things didn't go as planned, but I think I'm gonna do that one in the near future. But anyways, let's start with this one right now, because a lot of people asking me why you're not getting your wheels. Where's the wheels? You should get your wheels before other stuff, and now here we go. We have the AODHAN. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but a lot of people on YouTube saying AODHAN, so I'm going with that. So AODHAN wheels, they are from United States. That's what I know. And then this wheels has manufactured in the United States, and they have different kinds of specs of the wheels. So I got the, I can't remember, I got the AH03, and I will put down the list of what kind of wheels they have, and you guys can go there and you can see what wheels you love. And I got, of course, we're in the JDM culture, so I got the JDM style wheels. So let's go and unbox this one. Put this one over here. Man, this wheels is awesome, bro. The packaging alone, it's amazing. And so I ordered the gold rims, so let's see how it looks like. And ooh, yeah, baby. Oh man, yo guys, look at this, bro. Box over here. Yo, so this is the rims that I got, and this is so awesome. I love the way how it looks. It's really like a JDM style. Like a lot of people in Japan uses this kind of wheels. It looks like a Meister works wheels, and that's what I love it. And the dish, oh my gosh, look at that, so awesome. Woo! I'm speechless. AODHAN is so nice. This is their AH03, and they have a lot more style that fits to your needs for your vehicle or whatever your tastes are. And they have different styles. So I'm gonna put the names and styles that they have here probably on this video so you can see it, and I'm gonna put their link as well on the description below so that you guys can go and see what they got. And actually, this video, by the way, is not sponsored, so I am just wanted to share it because I love their wheels. When the first time I seen it, it was awesome. It was phenomenal. When I see the reviews, it's really good. And yeah. So this wheel is a cast iron. It's like one piece wheels. And then the offset of this wheels is 18 by 9 and plus 35. So yeah, so write the comment below what you guys think of this wheels, and hopefully it'll look good into the car. And man, I really love it. I love it. This is so good. And I'm gonna put a detailed view for you guys. So yeah, let's go do that right now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage, little detail for this wheels. And yeah, I'm so excited to put this on my BRZ. And if you guys have any questions, comments, please don't hesitate to put it down below. Critiques, anything, I will accept it. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.